Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Doom Eternal mods. Start by backing up your game files, then download a reliable mod manager and browse verified mod pages. Pay attention to compatibility notes and load order, and test one mod at a time. If a mod breaks your game, restore the backup and try a different combination. Stay organized with folders and notes to track changes. In this video, I will explain how to play Doom Eternal mods. Use a mod manager to handle installation and avoid manual mistakes, and follow the exact folder structure specified by each mod. Always install dependencies first, then enable the main mod and any optional plugins. Launch the game and test changes in a safe save or new campaign to confirm stability before playing longer sessions. In this video, I will explain how to play Doom Eternal mods. When problems occur, disable recently added mods and verify the game files to restore originals quickly. Consult mod readmes and community threads for known conflicts and fixes, and use backup saves to prevent progress loss. Reintroduce mods one at a time to find the culprit, and keep a changelog so you can reproduce a stable setup efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.